Welcome to our channel. If you want to reduce prescription medication costs, follow these step-by-step instructions to save money on your prescriptions. Step 1. Ask your doctor to prescribe generic medications instead of brand name drugs. Generics contain the same active ingredients but cost 80 to 85% less on average. Step 2. Use prescription discount apps like GoodRx, RxSaver, or SingleCare. These free services compare prices at local pharmacies and provide coupons that can dramatically reduce costs. Step 3. Buy a 90-day supply instead of 30-day refills when possible. Purchasing larger quantities typically reduces the per-pill cost and saves on copays. Step 4. Compare prices at different pharmacies, including big box stores, independent pharmacies, and online retailers. Medication prices vary widely and shopping around pays off. Step 5. Check if splitting higher dose tablets is appropriate for your medication. Some pills can be safely split, effectively cutting your costs in half, but always ask your doctor first. Step 6. Apply for patient assistance programs offered by drug manufacturers. These programs provide free or low-cost medications to people meeting income criteria. Step 7. Consider mail-order pharmacies through your insurance plan. Many insurers offer lower copays and free shipping for maintenance medications ordered by mail. Step 8. Ask about therapeutic alternatives. Your doctor may be able to prescribe a different medication in the same drug class that costs less but works similarly for your condition. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.